about solution of system of linear equation by inversion method. I'll explain you directly by taking example. So let us start. A, x plus 2y equals to 2 and the second equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 3. Now we have to find out the value of x and y, but by using inversion method. Method हमने पहले किए हैं, 9th standard, 10th standard, elimination method, substitution method, Cramer's rule. But today we will do inversion method. So first of all, write these two equations in matrix form. इन्हें matrix form में लिखेंगे. पहले x के कोफिशिएंट 1, 2, y के कोफिशिएंट 2, 3. Then the variables x and y equals to 2, 3. So this is in the form of ax equal to b, where this is a, this is x and this is b. So b is 2 and 3. But you know that we want to find out here x, the value of x and y. So for this, pre-multiplying by A inverse on both the side. दोनों side A inverse से multiply. A inverse into A. We know that this is I. Unit matrix. So Ix equals to A inverse into B. And what is Ix? It is x. So x equals to A inverse B. Now you know how to find out inverse of a matrix. We can use any method. We can use elementary transformation. We can use here adjoint method. But adjoint method is simple. So हम prefer करेंगे adjoint method से. Inverse निकालने से पहले मैं पहले बता चुकी हूँ necessary condition that its determinant should not be 0. So let us check. Here determinant is 3 minus 4 minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. अब हम निकालेंगे A inverse. तो first step minus M11 it is 3, M12 2, M21 second row first column, so it is 2, M22 second row second column 1. Then write here cofactors. Cofactors, you know, if addition is even, same sign. It is odd, you have to change the sign. Odd, change the sign. 2 plus 2, 4, even, same sign. After finding out cofactors, next is matrix of cofactors. So it is 3 minus 2 minus 2 1. Now adjoint of A. It is transpose of this matrix. And the last step, that is A inverse. So 1 upon minus 1, 3 minus 2 minus 2 1. स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमने सब सेकेंड वीडियो में किया है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट इनवर्स बाय एडजॉइंट मेथड. So this is A inverse. You can directly from here you can directly write adjoint of A also. I told you shortcut बताया था मैंने. Interchange these two diagonal elements. 3 इधर आ जाएगा, 1 यहाँ पर आएगा. और नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स के हम साइन चेंज करते हैं तो हमें डायरेक्ट एडजॉइंट मिलता है. तो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम A you can write adjoint of A also. So this is A inverse. But हमें तो फाइनली क्या निकालना है? X. मैट्रिक्स X मतलब x और y की वैल्यू। x निकालने के लिए x इक्वल्स टू a इनवर्स इंटू b। नाउ इनवर्स -3 2 2 -1 and what is matrix B? It is 2 3. Now multiply these two matrix. How to multiply? R1 R2 C1. So R1 C1 पहले वाले एलिमेंट को पहले के साथ, सेकेंड वन को सेकेंड वन के साथ। सिमिलरली R2 C1 2 into 2 plus -1 into 3. So matrix X means X Y -6 plus 6 4 minus 3. So this is 0 1. So therefore the value of X is 0 and Y is 1. Now second example in which there are three variables x, y, z. We have to find out the value of all three. So again the same steps, writing equation in matrix form. Matrix form में लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? पहले वाले में x के कोफिशिएंट्स 1 2 1, फिर y के कोफिशिएंट 1 1 -1, z के 1 -1 1, इधर x y z वेरिएबल्स और इधर कांस्टेंट 6 1 2. So that is a x equals to b. A x equals to b. Now we want to find out the value of x. So pre-multiplying on both sides by a inverse. A inverse ax equals to a inverse b. A inverse into a, it is I. Ix equals to a inverse b. Now Ix means x. So x equals to a inverse b. अब हमें x निकालना है तो हमें a inverse चाहिए, और a inverse निकालने से पहले हम चेक करेंगे inverse exist और not. उसके लिए डिटर्मिनेंट निकालेंगे. डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे निकालेंगे? प्लस माइनस प्लस. सो 1 1 -1 -1 1, then -1 2 -1 1 1, then +1 2 1 1 -1. Solve this. 1 -1 2 minus -1 -2 -1. So solving this we'll get -6. This means A inverse exist. इनवर्स निकालने के लिए हमने चेक किया डिटर्मिनेंट 0 नहीं है. डिटर्मिनेंट कितना आया हमारा? इक्वल्स टू -6. इट मीन्स इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट. अब इनवर्स के लिए वही 5 स्टेप, माइनस, कोफैक्टर्स, मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफैक्टर्स, एडजॉइंट A, देन इनवर्स. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. M11 फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 1 -1 -1 1 1 -1 0. Then M12 similarly you have to find out the cofactors. M12 first row second, so 2 -1 1 -1, you will get 3. M13 2 1 1 -1 -3. M21 second row first column 1 1 -1 1 1 plus 1 2 1 minus -1. So again M22 second row second column 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 0. Similarly you can do rest of this. Now cofactors, if addition is even, same as it is. 1 plus 2 3 odd, change the sign. 1 plus 3 4 even, same. 2 plus 1 odd, change the sign. 2 plus 2 4 even, same. 2 plus 3 5 odd number, change the sign. -2 will become plus. 3 plus 1 4 even number, same sign. 3 plus 2 5 odd number, चेंज द साइन, -3 का +3, 3 + 3 6, इवन नंबर मीन्स सेम साइन -1. सो ये होगा एक कोफैक्टर्स. नाउ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफैक्टर 0 -3 -3 -2 0 2 -2 3 -1. After that, adjoint of A means its transpose 0 -3 -3 -2 second row in second column, third row in third column. Now inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant, it's -6, and write here adjoint. So this is the value of A inverse. After A inverse, we'll find out X. Now what is X? A inverse into B. A inverse अभी हमने निकाला 1 upon -6 this matrix, and B we know value of B is 6 1 2. अब हमें इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? R1 R2 R3. तो पहले R1 को C1 के साथ, देन R2 with C1, एंड देन R3 with C1. मल्टीप्लीकेशन में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट विद फर्स्ट वन, सेकेंड एलिमेंट विद सेकेंड वन, एंड थर्ड एलिमेंट विद थर्ड वन. सो 0 into 6 plus -2 into 1 plus -2 into 2. Similarly, R2 with C1, -3 into 6, 0 into 1, 3 into 2. R3 C1, -3 into 6, 2 into 1, -1 into 2. 0 into 6, 0, -2, -4. -18, 0, 6. -18 plus 2, -2. -2 and -4, -6. -18 plus 6, -12. -18 plus 2, -2 cancel, that is -18. So X means X, Y, Z. Now after solving, हमें ये 6 को पहले ही अंदर लेकर नहीं जाना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सिंप्लीफाई होने के बाद नाउ वी विल टेक माइनस, ये वाला -6 अंदर लेकर जाएंगे. तो -6 अपॉन -6, -12 अपॉन -6, -18 अपॉन -6. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, 1 cancel, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So therefore the value of X is 1, Y is 2, Z is. Let's take one more example of word problem. How to solve word problem? Suppose this is given, if 3 numbers are added, their sum is 2. If 2 times the second number is subtracted from the sum of first and third number, we get 8. And if 3 times the first number is added to the sum of second and third number, we get 4. Find the numbers by matrix method. So for doing this type of word problem, we have to first construct the equations. So how to start? Let the 3 numbers be X, Y and Z. Now by the given condition, what are the 3 conditions? 3 numbers are added, their sum is 2. It means X plus Y plus Z equals to 2. Now second condition, 2 times the second number. What is the second number? Y. So if 2 times the second number subtracted from, कहाँ से subtract किया, किस में से subtract किया? Sum of first and third number. So this is first number, this is third number, दोनों का sum, दोनों के sum में से 2 times of second number subtracted, then we will get 8. This is the second condition. And third is, if 3 times the first number means 3x added to the sum of second and third, we get 4. 3 times the first number added to second and third, we get 4. So these are the 3 equations you have formed. Now you can solve in the same way जैसा अभी हमने second example किया था. Similarly you can solve this. Now from exercise 2.3 you can do question number 1, 3, 4 and 5. Have a nice day.